Hello, hi everyone, this is Som here. I welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about how you can generate an organic leads from Facebook without spending a single penny on ads, and how you can get a laser targeted audience for your business. So before you start, you need to log into the Facebook account, but you need to have an extension. So I am running an offer for this extension. What I'm talking here is a robust and organic lead generation on Facebook. So let's jump in and see how we can get a huge amount of leads from Facebook. Let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do is go to the Facebook page and go to search and like what is your audience you want to target. For an example, if you want to target coach, my audience is a coach. So what I do right now is, as you can see, there is a sponsor ad of an entrepreneur factory. He has more than 14 likes. Okay, this all customers, this all are likes. He is targeting an audience. Let's see, for an example, if I click on this and I say, for an example, why I am seeing this ad. So why I'm seeing this ad, if I click here, you can able to see that entrepreneur factory is trying to reach a people aged 29 to 57, and he's reaching a people those whose primary location is in India. This is vast targeting, but I will just come down here a bit. Okay, and I will click on this jury. Okay, look at the targeting here. So it says why I'm seeing this ad again one more time. And now if I click on this, as you can able to see that jury is trying to reach a people aged 18 and older, and this is what the leadership, this is the keyword, leadership, right? Review all your interest. So his interest is who are looking for a leadership. He's targeting right now. He has more than 59 comments and 65 shares, and there are a lot of targeting. Now if I want to get this 859 likes what he got it, and this are most likely a customer who are interested in the particular business coaching and leadership coaching, and he has written all this, get a better results and all this quotes and all, and business coaching. There are a lot of chances that what I teach here in my YouTube channel and other channels, that about the business automations, digital funnels, and everything is related to this. So this is most likely my competitor, or you can say that most likely my audience who has liked. Without running a Facebook ads, how can I target them and make a friend on Facebook and send them this message? Okay, let's see how this gonna works. So first what I would do is I would be running this extension called as friend connector. I will go here and you can able to send this called as a friend connector pro. Click on this and you can able to see this says that whom you want to send a request to, the reactions, comments, and both. So I will select both and choose the reactions, and I will select this box here. Okay, and I say done. What's gonna happen right now is I have selected this reactions, and now I can able to send them a request. I just click on run. What's gonna happen is it goes ahead, this automated channel goes ahead and adds a friend to my list that is on Facebook. So without running an ads, we are targeting a laser targeted audience who are liking this post, who are engaging with this post, and we are making them a friend. And in the future, there might be there a lot of a chance you get an engagement on your Facebook profile. So now I want to show you what gonna happen right now is, now it has added one friend. Okay, it goes ahead and adds up as many as friends it can. So we will wait and see how this gonna works. Okay, now you can see that the friends has been requested, and again it is moving to the second friend. Just like this, it will go ahead and request to all the friends who has liked this post. All right, so this is really robust. So in this way, where you can add so many friends here, and what gonna happen right now, they will become your friend, and they will become your friend. You can send them a message saying just like this. So for an example, if you go here and you can send them a friend, and you can also automate this process, but we are not doing in this. But once they come here, they will add you as a friend, and whenever you post anything related to the entrepreneurship or a business, you will get an engagement here. You can book an appointment with them, and you can tell them to go to the Facebook page and like the page, or you can send them like so. As you can see that it says that, hi, so we have noticed a few friends common, which is normally means like-minded. I specialize in organic traffic and generating leads daily on Autopilot. I'm looking to connect with you and learn about the business. Would you love to opinion on testing the softwares to generate leads on your business? No payment needed, and you can keep your leads. So this is the message I want to send, and you can see that there is like you got a message. The same way you can send a message to them, and they can become your friend, and only it can be achieved by using this friend connector. I'm running this offer. If you want that, click on that below link and get one-to-one session with me, so that I can walk you through much more strategies with that. And one more strategy I want to give. For an example, if you are part of any of this entrepreneurs or startup group, you can choose any of the customer avatar, like me, might be real estate agents or anyone who are looking to generate free leads. Then you can come here. So now if you want to add a startup India or entrepreneurs or investors, if you're looking, go to this member area. This is the group. You need to be a part of this group, and you join it, and you can able to see that there is more than 1,24,867 members are there in group. But all of them, you don't want to add them. But what you can do is you can also have a keywords here. Look at this. I will say this auto between 30 seconds to 60 seconds. I need to send them a friend request, and you can select the gender, you can select the country. I will keep it same. Resume, this is just one more option. Now it's really important. For an example, if you want to target a CEO, keywords, you can give it. Founders, you can give it, or you can say digital marketer, you can say that. So once you have this keyword, as many as keyword you can put it, what's going to happen is once you click on run, look at this, what is happening. It is just sending a friend request to the owner and the founder of GNX Group. Why? Because we have given a keywords which names is called as a founder and digital marketer. Look at this, how powerful this can be. It is only adding to a people who are in the keywords. Now it has not added this person of self-employed. All right. And look at this, member near you. That means which country or city near you. It will go ahead and add it. Second, they will go to the friends, and then it goes ahead and search all the friends, and it will send request. And daily you can able to generate more than 100 plus leads from Facebook. And just sitting on automation, just one thing you need to do, just click on here, and what keyword you want to target, click on start. That's it. You start getting more requests. Look at this, how many friends you have made in the other tab what you are doing, right? So you can able to see that how many friends requests been sent. So in this way, I will just stop it right now, and you can able to see that Jerry's, okay, one group member request sent. You can able to see the notification here. So in this way, where you can laser target your audience with the keywords, with the customer avatar. If you find any problem related to this, or if you have any confusion or you want to get this tool, please get it. It is 95% off, and I'm running a lifetime offer. You need to pay once, and you can use it for 12 months completely, and that is free. it's one time go. All right, so get this tool and automate your business. This is really powerful, and a lot of strategies I'm coming with, and I would be giving you 1 hour of a time for a consultation call. I will drop you a consultation call. If you're really serious to get this tool, you can get this. And also, if you want to have the funnels for your business, then I would be creating a funnel just like this. What you can see this for the financial advisors, you can see that there is video funnels, and we are automating the complete process. If you want to drive a traffic to this funnel, then it would be great because you get more leads and driving a traffic to the automation. Look at this. As you can see at the bottom, a request has been sent to Dr. Vinita. So in this way, you can able to automate the process and send them to this funnel. And there is a lot of an option: upsells, downsells, and order bumps if you are selling your course. So last chance, as you can see, there is this hook, story, and offer, and we will be integrating the payment integrations for your business. This is an order page. Everything is done here. So if you don't want to miss out on the automations, funnels, and lead generations, there are 3 things in a business which is really important: traffic, funnel, and automation. If you want to achieve everything and if you want to make your business on God mode, this is the best strategies what you can use it to start your business and take it to the next level. So if you are someone who are from the real estate, entrepreneur, freelancer, or you are from the insurance or financial advisor, then this is the best ways you can get more leads, and we have a great strategy for you. All right, so book your appointment if you're really serious about it, and we will be providing you a free tool, that is the tools with our bundle which goes free. We will be creating a funnels and automations for email, text, and phone call automation. In the next videos, I would be coming up with the phone call and text automation, what tool I use, how to create a funnels, how to generate more traffic and lead generation on your business. I would be talking everything on this YouTube channel. If you are new, please go ahead and like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I would be coming with the more bunch of videos just like this, which can help you to get more leads and create more funnels, high converting funnels, automation for your business. And thank you very much for coming here. See you in the next video.